friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? Hope you all are having a good time and you all are in good health. Today we have a new topic. Today we will draw some cute plants and specifically we will draw cute cactus family. So let's make a start. And here's fun facts also coming your way. Fact number 1. A cactus is a plant which grows where the soil is very dry and rocky, most usually in the desert. Fact number 2. There are about 2,000 types of cacti. Fact number 3. Cactus lifespan is somewhere in the ranges from 10 to 200 years. Fact number 4. A cactus plant can be very small or can be very big. Like the tallest saguaro cactus was over 78 feet tall. Fact number 5. You will find lots of cacti in Arizona and California, and even some cactus have been found in the rainforests and even in countries like Canada. Fact number 6. The spikes on the outside of the cactus can be very sharp, and some spikes can be even poisonous to humans. Fact number 7. Some cacti are edible also, especially from the 200 plus Optionia species, as they are very good at conserving water, especially during long dry periods. Fact number 8. Cactus have sometimes flowers also, and these cactus flowers can be yellow, red, pink, white, orange or blue, and even some cactus grow fruits as well. Fact number 9. Scientists have discovered fossils of cacti dating back to 25 million years ago. That means 25 million years ago there was cactus available on earth. Wow. Fact number 10. Final one. In some countries like India, they will use to cut this in herbal medicine. So in some cases it is used as an herbal medicine as well. So my cute angels, this was all the 10 fun facts for the day on cute cactus drawing. But you must not forget to save any type of plants you see in your area, in your neighborhood, as they are one of the main sources of our lives. They give oxygen to us, they give fruits and foods and lots of other things. And for cactus especially, you might want to have one of them in your balcony. It will look good there. So keep watching Fun Drawing with Piyali for more fun facts and fun drawing. drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.